Hi everyone, I've created 10 easy step-by-step hairstyles, and this is hairstyle number 3. So we're going to start this hairstyle by placing it up into a very high ponytail, like this. Now around that ponytail, I'm going to take this. You've seen these are like little Alice bands that you can put into the hair that hold the hair back, almost looking like you've clipped all the hair. I'm going to place that around the base of the ponytail, just like that. There we go, and really make sure that's hooked in nice and securely. I haven't gone too wide because I'm going to use this as my pinning foundation. Now watch this. Once I've got that, the rest of this hairstyle is so unbelievably simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ponytail, and I'm going to take a pin. I'm going to grab a little piece of the ponytail. Then I'm going to wrap my pin around the ponytail, just really messy, and then place the pin along the scalp and under the band. Watch this again. Here it is. Take the hair, just scrunch it around and create a texture. Then place the pin under, look on the scalp, and then flip it under and push it right underneath that band that we've got there. And do the same all the way around. Look at this. There it is. Now, as I'm working, I'm going to leave a couple of pieces out, just so I can use those up on the very, very top. So I've gone around the base there like this. I've added all that in. And you can see I've still got the tails to play with. Now I come up on top and I do the same again. I take the hair and I wrap it around my pin, and then I pin it in from the opposite side of the band that I've got there. Now it's just about decorating and figuring out how you want the whole thing to look. So I think this is a fantastic hairstyle to add into your collection. It's fun, it's easy, and I think it kind of has that little boho chic about it.